Form 941 is an IRS form employers are responsible for filling out and submitting each quarter. From now on, you can quickly and easily complete your Form 941 online and submit it to the IRS right away. Begin by opening your form in the editor. Use the clues to fill out the relevant fields. Include your personal details and contact information. Carefully verify the information in the form for grammar and spelling. Once finished, sign the form by drawing and uploading your electronic signature. You can share the completed form by email or fax, print it out, or save it on your device. pdfFiller empowers users to create, edit, and share documents online. Offering unlimited storage, unlimited templates, and cross-platform integration, pdfFiller is the only PDF editor you'll need to get your documents done. Sign up for a free 30-day trial of pdfFiller and discover powerful PDF functionality with no obligations.